this video, I become a flying god. Yes, I have the coveted Skydio2 drone. Let's see if I can make it work. So, hello again, boys and girls. How's everybody doing? Q here. I have replaced my favorite glasses with some I bought, I think, at a grocery store for $5. Yeah, baby. But very exciting day today. I hope you can see in this low light, because here she is. This is the famous, the vaunted, the coveted Skydio2 drone. So I am gonna take this out and try to find some dirt and fly this puppy, and we'll see how that goes. If you think my hair looks strange, you're right. I haven't cut my hair since COVID started. I give up. It's just not gonna happen. So let's go ahead, and there's my Kawasaki. Oh, air hawk on the Kawasaki. Beautiful. Loving it. So let's open up the bat cave and give this a try. Goal today is a simple one. Well, it's not that simple. I've got to connect the beacon to the Skydio, get it up into the air, and just get a little bit of video. But then ultimately my goal is a simple one, and that is I need to be able to get this Skydio up and in the air quickly and simply. That's the idea, and that's, in my mind, that's always the problem with these drones, is they are such a faff. You're out riding motorcycles, right? That's what you want to be doing, is riding your motorcycle. Now you can say, well, don't make videos at all, but I like to make videos. I've been making videos like this for 21 years, believe it or not. But so you want to be riding your motorcycle. Well, to stop and get the controller out and set up the drone and put it in some position and fly under it, all this, it's such a pain. So what I want to be able to do with the Skydio and the beacon is get to where I can get that drone up in the air and follow me right now. Quick. Up, taking pictures, follow me, anywhere from 1 to 30 miles an hour. Actually, I hear on a nice day like this, I should be able to do 37 miles an hour. So that's the idea. So let's find a little bit of deserted dirt without people who annoy me, like these two. Find some dirt, nobody around, no electrical wires, trees, that's what the Skydio is supposed to do, right? It's supposed to avoid the trees. So let's see if we can get it up and have a successful flight, and also learn something about getting to where I can stop, turn the drone on, get it up, get the beacon following me, go. So wish me luck. I found what I think is a good spot. Someone might come yell at me, but there are no signs that say you can't be out here in this wide open field. And so let's see if I can figure this thing out. All right, momentous occasion. Fly now. Processing, loading, waiting, getting ready. Jesus. I'm ready. This helmet plus this GoPro, ready to fly. Fly now. Starting drone. Stepping back. Starting drone. Drone is flashing. Ready to fly. Hold to fly. 3, 2, 1. Ho! It's flying. Alright. So, in the words of somebody, here goes nothing. Oh, it's a drone. There's a drone in front of me. Ha ha ha! Oh, this is too cool. I assume it's got me. Yeah, so there you go. This is why I bought a Skydio, boys and girls. What could be easier than that? First time with a beacon. And this little bastard is on me. Now the big question is, where the hell did I leave the case? I have no idea where the case is, but my evil plan is to tell the drone to land and see where it goes, and hopefully it knows where I left that case. This was a big mistake. I have no idea where the case is. Alright, so before this gets any worse, I could do another circle, see if I stumble across the case. But I don't like my odds. I did my best to try to keep track of where I am, but you know, come on, in this field. Hey, I just found the case. Very cool. So cool. Alright, since I found the case, and life is really feeling good right now, what I'll do now, am I still recording on the front here? Yep, I still see a light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, alright buddy, why don't you follow me from the back now? Oh, and it's got that automatic height limiter on it. And I've seen on YouTube that if you take that off, it's much more accurate, especially like going through the woods and stuff. Oh, this is sandy out here. I don't want to get stuck with my bald rear tire. Just going to do a big old circle and hopefully circle back around to where the base is. This field's pretty cool. I'm sure somebody doesn't want me out here, but it's true of most everything. Uh-oh. Oh jeez, I don't see my base. I think I missed it. It's hard to figure out what an exact circle is out here. Could do a little crisscross. Come on, where's the base? There it is. Good. Nice. I need a flag or something if I'm going to do this in a field. Alright. I hear a drone. So it worked. I'm delighted. The Skydio has taken flight, and I cut out a lot of the fiddling I had to do. You saw some of the fiddling, but honestly, could hardly be easier. I'm delighted. So thanks for watching, boys and girls. More to come.